If you can remember this video which I have created long time ago. This is about testing of RF remote controller unit. This unit can operate 3 AC bulbs individually. In this RF remote controller, it is used a 12-volt battery. And recently I found a treasure inside of the battery. Would you like to see it? Stay with SetNFix. By mistaken, I found this remote controller again. I tried to check the RF unit. But it did not work. I checked the battery and its voltage was low. I also had a curiosity that how this battery gives 12 volts such a small size. Then, to reveal it, there is no option than removing the metal cover of the battery. Let's see the inside. It was not hard to remove the metal cover using plier. Once it is removed, there was a thin plastic cover. But, this was surprised me when I see the inside of the battery. Actually, you can see this 12 volts battery is built with 8 cells of 1.5 volt. It is better to check the individual batteries. Because even our laptop battery is dried out, we can find usable few batteries. If I can find good batteries among these 8, I would be nice. When I checked individual batteries, I found that most of batteries are working well. There are still with 1.4 volts. I think it is because of the acid coved. Therefore, I used a knife to remove the things stick hard and also thinner. I think almost all the batteries are working well now. You can see the voltage of these batteries. Since the batteries are working well, we can check the remote controller using the same batteries. I will try to insert one by one, but I do not think it will be a caused for a good result. The better way is to reassemble the battery as same as the original. Before ending this video, I hope you have learnt some new things with this video. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next video, stay with SetNFix.